Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add Pinterest photos to Canva. So as you can see, I'm here on my Canva design. Alright, now let's go to Pinterest, choose the photo whatever you want to uh, add to Canva. I'm going with this one. Now right click with your mouse, click on copy image. Now go to Canva. Here click on, again right click with your mouse and click on paste. Alright, allow, and as you can see, now your image is downloaded to Canva. Now if this option is not working or this method is not working, what you can do, go again on Pinterest. Here click on these three dots, click on download image. Okay, now again go to Canva, go to uploads. Now here click on this download option, select your image and drag and drop here. Okay, now as you can see, your image is added to Canva. Now if it's also not working, on add page. Alright, here go to apps. Now here search embed. Okay, wait, download this app embed right over here. I've already downloaded it. Now from here select on Pinterest, click on this edit option. So I'm gonna go on Pinterest and I'm gonna copy this link right over here. Copy this link, go again on Pinterest and paste it over here. Click on done. Wait for a few minutes, and as you can see, your image is added. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.